Yo, and welcome back guys to a brand new video. And today we're back on iRacing in our road to 3K series, and we're back in the production car challenge. In the last video we made our comeback in the MX-5 in the sprint race of 12 minutes. It was chaos, but it was a really good race. And we're back after my PC is finally repaired. We're back here with the weekly upload streak. Gonna upload every week now and grind this year to 3K iRating. That's my goal. If you want to stay up to date, please follow the series, and I'm happy to have you here. And today guys, we're back, as I said, with the production car challenge. So we're here with a 25-minute sprint race. Later this weekend I'm going to do a 2-hour endurance race, but now it's a sprint race with multi-class. So you have the Renault Clio, the Toyota, the BMW and the MX-5 Cup, which we will be competing in. That's the car I want to hit 3K iRating in before I go to other race classes. And yeah, we're here on Ulton Park. It's actually one of my favorite tracks. It's actually the track where it all started for me in iRacing. My first video on iRacing was in Ulton Park. So that's really nice. It's a really nice nostalgia for me. I practiced quite a bit, so I feel quite prepared. It seems like if I look to the iRate gear, we're in top splits, but that's gonna be crazy. So without further ado guys, let's jump straight into the qualifying and let's see where we can qualify. We are into the quali session, and as I already said, this is probably top split if I look to the iRating. It's crazy. And I actually made a dumb mistake. I just checked and I got way too much fuel for quali. I should have used the quali setup. And I think I got too much fuel for the race as well, because I'm now using the baseline setup. One time I was using actually some paid setups, was like $3 or something, so not that expensive. But my coach told me that in iRacing it doesn't really matter in the MX-5, because there's relatively not that much you can tweak in the MX-5 car, which is of course relatively simple. So you don't gain that much time with it. But yeah, stupid me didn't think of applying of course the best fuel for a 25 minutes race, and of course for quali, which is insanely stupid. So if you have any tips for me on how to calculate that, please let me know. We're in a big disadvantage and we're in top split, so I think I can forget pole, but of course you never know. A bit too hesitant on the throttle there, not gonna lie. Still of course slightly cold tires, but okay, that was okay. Whew. I was a little bit too aggressive on throttle there, but it was okay. Ah! Damn it! A little bit too much throttle, but the cold tires are still so cold, it's insane. I really gotta lock in for that second push lap now, because this is gonna be starting from last place, otherwise the map is tweaking. I don't know what's going on. Like the minimap. Okay guys, attempt 2. Ultimate locking. Ah! Yeah, this lap is ruined now. This is so bad. Oh my god. Oh, that was so bad. I think one of my worst qualies I've ever driven on iRacing. It is in top split. That's embarrassing. Not ideal, guys. There's still 2 minutes left, but I highly doubt we keep this P4, but... Oh, yeah, okay. I guess it is what it is. Let's jump into the race. Oh, damn. The strength of field is 1000 above my iRating. That's crazy. Of course, it's always quite intimidating, but I think I prefer this, guys, because when you're driving with faster guys, you always learn more and you improve more. So I think that pushes me to improve myself and get even better. So I think that's all good. The strength of fields is 3.3k iRating, and there's someone of 1.1k. Like, no disrespect or something, but that's gotta be so unhelpful when you drive in top split with 1.1k iRating. He's probably gonna maybe like create a major crash or like a lot of chaos. So I gotta be so careful. I'm ready.
About to go green. Stay focused.
What? Now already? It's not already going green. You're just warming up. But let's stay close anyway. What? What is this? I am so caught off guard, but it has never happened. Normally we have like a much longer warm-up lap. What? Oh, I'm boxed in.
Oh my god.
Yeah, not much I could do there, and now I'm going to lose another position. That's kind of frustrating. That's just a bit unlucky, not much I could do there, I was boxed in, so let's defend the inside here because he's going to send it, I can tell you that. Oh, someone's going off. Of course it's the guy with the car's livery. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow, we're so lucky we didn't get murdered there. What? I didn't expect it at all, it all looked okay. Oh shit, of course we have, are you kidding me? Unlucky. But still, it looks like we're P5. Yeah, P5, okay. Nothing won, nothing lost. And the damage doesn't feel that bad, so okay. Oh shit, I gotta live more to here because of the damage. Or it is because the tires are still a little bit too cold, but we're going to find that out soon. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, yeah, it goes wrong, watch out. Okay, we watched out there, beautifully. I already told you the guy was going to crash. Our pace towards that corner is actually really good. But this is my weakest corner. So we gotta try to find pace here somehow. Number one is actually cruising, wow. This could go really wrong. I knew that the guy was going to do some stupid stuff.
I got this.
He might send it here, I think he will. Had to let him know that I'm not going to let him through that easily. This is intense.
I got this.
Oh, he's out. Bye bye. I already knew it's always the guys with the cars deliveries. I predicted that as well before.
I got this.
Okay, I might going to let this guy go because he has 4.3k iRating and now we have quite a gap with the other cars behind. So I don't want to lose that much time. I hope he understands now and let's try to follow in his slipstream. Because this guy is double my iRating, so... And if we're gonna fight every time, we're gonna cook the tires and gonna lose all the momentum. And now if we work together, I can be in the slipstream and we can like climb up to the top group here. So C is so much faster, he's already gaining up to the other guys, so yeah. It looks good for now.
Pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.5 seconds. That was your fastest lap of the session.
Oh yeah, and then he can pass me on the straight, or he can crash himself out. What's going on? This is top split, ladies and gentlemen, top split. But there's another Renault, surprise surprise, the meme class. Wouldn't surprise me if he crashes. For now he's letting everyone go like safely, so I hope he helps us as well. At least he gives me a very nice slipstream here. I might need to be a bit aggressive on overtaking him. But for now we're staying behind. Let's see if he lets me go. Yeah, he's going to. I lost a little bit too much on the exit. I'm not really happy with that. To stay up front. Let's see, we're halfway through the race. Okay, good to know. Damn, he's slowing down massively. He probably had like a major slowdown or something. Oh, this is annoying. I should have defended better. This is my bad. Yeah, that was dumb for me. That was really dumb for me. I should have let him go there, but it was just a bit annoying because I hoped to get past him as well. But yeah, for now let's stay in the slipstream and let's build on that gap again because now we lost it. We almost lost 8 tenths there. Okay, let's try to follow this guy again because he's faster than me, but let's try to stay in the slipstream then. And let's not try to do anything stupid. Not yet, mate. You can see the cars in front struggling. I think my tires are in a better condition because they battled hard as well, of course. So let's see if we can do something here. Oh! little slide there. Still all good. Since the tires are have a lot of drag now, or like starting to get more drag, we need to lift a little bit more towards that corner. So I gotta stay sharp on that. Oh, I braked way too early. I don't know why I did that. And almost getting an off track again. Okay. Oh, this is not good, guys. My pace is not okay. Okay, guys. I guess that's gonna be a battle towards the end. I got nothing to lose because the other guy behind is far away. So let's see what he'll do. I easily read him swear. And that was easy defense. I already knew he would try to go for the outside. Oh, a little off track. That was actually perfect, lovely. Oh shit, actually I have a really bad run towards here. Once again, we're gonna stay on the outside because that will turn the inside for this corner. He knows. Oh fuck. Yeah, I'm not going to back down, mate. He is.
I got this.
Ah! Yeah, well done from him.
I got this.
Let's see if we can have another try, guys. It's not over yet. Ah, come on, Allard. It has to be better. Because he had a bad exit to here. If I had a good turn to here, I could definitely attack him. We really gotta hope for a miracle now. Yeah, I had to commit there because if I lifted the throttle, then my chance will be definitely over. That was scary. Please, f it up. Please. Oh, 7 off tracks is crazy. Oops. Oh yeah, now it's over. I'm really bad into the Orsted corner. GG's guys. Shit, I'm sweating. We actually had some fun battles. That was actually really good. Woo! Okay guys, P6 in top split out of 9 drivers. I think we were quite lucky with the beginning, of course, with 2 cars getting taken out. I tried my hardest, but the guys with 4 all above me have like double my iRating. Especially the last guy, the Ava Berry. He was just too fast for me. He was better. He deserved to overtake me, and I made a mistake. Actually, that's really nice because you'll learn from that. I'm going to watch the replay back, see what I can improve. I made quite some mistakes. Of course, the off tracks. But I think overall, like the pace, that was quite consistent. I think I'm happy with it. And let's look straight into the results. That's actually quite decent. I'm actually quite happy with that. Like we gained some iRating, almost at the magic 2.4k zone. I would really love to hit that soon. We lost a bit of safety rating. To be honest, what's fair, I took a little bit too much into the points there. So it's something I need to work on. Because on Friday evening, I'm going to do the endurance race. I'm actually going to live stream it. So if you want to tune in there on Twitch, check out it's the same as my YouTube name. Check it out. It's on 8 Central European time, Amsterdam time zone. The cars guy, I predicted it. The cars guy would crash. It's always the guys with the cars liveries that have like the craziest moments and like the craziest crash. I swear, always watch out for those cars liveries, guys. I swear, I knew it would get lost, but I predicted it. God damn it. But yeah, I think overall, guys, pretty good race. If you have any tips for me to improve, please let me know in the comments. And if you made it this far to the video, thank you so much for watching, because yeah, I appreciate it a lot. It motivates me a lot to make more videos. I enjoy making videos a lot. I love that, so I would love to see more people join the community, enjoying the videos. And if you have any recommendations for me to do, let me know as well. Would love to try some things out. Hope to see you guys in the video next week. Then we're gonna push again for 3K iRating. And once again, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.